going to show you how to make basic hummus. The main ingredient is garbanzo beans. Some people call these chickpeas. The other ingredients are olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and if you want the real way to make hummus, tahini paste. And of course, garlic. Break the clove apart. We need 2 cloves. We'll chop it up. Mince it very fine. With a food processor, or in my case, a blender, put in the garbanzo beans. We're making a double batch. We reserved the liquid from 1 can, so reserve half the liquid and pour it in. Add the minced garlic, 8 teaspoons of lemon juice since we're doing a double batch. We're doubling to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, plus a little more since we're doubling the recipe. We'll blend this together. Now, this will make a good hummus just like this without the tahini paste, but if you want to do it the real way, you add the tahini paste. We're using 4 tablespoons of tahini paste. Now, tahini paste is made of sesame seed, and you can see it's almost like a consistency of natural peanut butter. This is commonly used in Middle Eastern dishes, and it adds just a really rich, kind of a nutty flavor. This is great with pita bread. This is just a regular piece of bread. It's also good this way, and that is delicious. You can taste the tanginess of the lemon juice and definitely the garlic, and that tahini paste really does give a little different flavor.